Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today we're going to check out the Oxford Research Encyclopedia. The first thing we want to do is scroll down and select the database link on the right-hand side of the page. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of all of our databases. We'll select the O, and we'll scroll down to the Oxford Research Encyclopedia. I've already logged in. If you have any issues logging in, please reach out to us through chat or email or by phone during the day, and we can help you out with that right away. The first and kind of the easiest way to do a search here is using the search bar up here. We'll go ahead and search for Florida. We can explore by discipline, but it's usually a little bit easier to go ahead and start your search first. As you'll see, you can we got 836 articles for that one search. You can search, or you can sort the list a number of different ways right here. You can see there's over 42 pages with 20 items per page, so there's quite a bit of results there. If you come over here, you can kind of limit it even more by kind of narrowing it down by the subject. So if you're looking for like climate science, we can go ahead and select that and then submit down here. It has 18 results for that for climate science, so that is much easier to kind of get through. We'll go ahead and once you select a article you like, go ahead and click on the title, and we'll come in here and we'll get a little bit more background information on it. It'll kind of jump down to the start of the article, but if we scroll back up to the beginning of the page, we can get all the background information right here at the top. So this is the title, this are the authors, publication date. Here's the summary right here. Up here above it is a useful toolbar. The most useful thing is probably the Citation Tool, which looks like a pencil in this database. You have 3 different choices here, so make sure you grab the right one. You can download it or you can just cut, copy, and paste it. Do make sure that you double check that these are machine generated. If you want to download it as a PDF or print it off as a PDF, a little quicker to go through the view PDF link right here. So keep that in mind. If you want to jump through this article, you can kind of see the table of contents is over here on the side, and as you see, it's all hyperlinked, so you can kind of jump down to the point of the article that you're looking for. And then there's another related article here as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and we are always here to help.